Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today we'll guide you through the simple steps to block cookies in the Firefox browser on your Android phone. Blocking cookies can help protect your privacy, reduce tracking, and improve your browsing experience. Let's get started with the instructions step by step. Open the Firefox browser app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down until you find the Site Settings option and tap on it. Now, locate and tap on Cross-Site Cookies. Finally, choose the option labeled Block to prevent Firefox from allowing third-party or cross-site cookies. You've now successfully blocked cookies on Firefox Mobile. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe for more simple and effective tech tutorials. Stay safe, protect your data, and browse with confidence.